Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start with lesson the opposites. Yesterday we completed the describing words. Today we are going to start with new lesson opposites. Opposites means what? If one is big, the other one is small. Correct? In Marathi for opposite words there is one word in Marathi. It is called viruddharthi. Correct? Opposite means viruddha. Correct? If one is very angry person, then other one is what? Other one is very jolly person who never becomes angry. Understood? Then tall, short. Come on, tell me more. Happy, sad. Correct? Opposite words I am telling you. Smiley, smile, anger. More. Short, tall. Some more opposite words. Can you tell what? Big, small. हे सगळे शब्द काय आहे? विरुद्धार्थी. करेक्ट. एक छोटा असला तर दुसरा मोठा, एक जाडा असला तर दुसरा पतला. ओके, मीन्स बारीक. सो लाइक दिस वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड opposites. What they are called? Opposites. In Marathi they are called viruddharthi शब्द. Okay. Now here some pairs of the words is given. What is given? Some pairs of words mean the opposite of each other. Some pairs of words is given. Tall, short, thin, fat. Thin means what? Now this boy is very thin. Correct or not? Barik. Okay. And this man is fat. Fat means what? Zada. So thin, fat, tall, short. Tall is opposite of short, thin is opposite of fat. Now there are some match the pace we have to do, okay, of opposite words. Here it is told that match the opposites choosing words from the box. Now first person is rich. Now which word in this pictures will be opposite of rich? रिच म्हणजे पैसेवाला, आणि ज्याच्याकडे पैसे नाही आहे असं कोणता पिक्चर आहे? विच पिक्चर इज लाईक दॅट? दिस. देर इज अ बेगर अँड ही इज आस्किंग फॉर सम मनी. सो अपोजिट ऑफ रिच विल बी वॉट? अपोजिट ऑफ रिच will be, for opposite you have to give this sign, okay, cross. Rich, poor. Okay. Second one. Second picture is of old man. This man is old. So old means what? Vayaskar. And then what will be opposite of old in this pictures? Can you tell what which word will be opposite of this word old? The boy who is running. How is he? He is young. So old, young. Third example, not fourth. Third example is of man who is bodybuilder. Are you understanding? Here, strong. The man is strong, and then the boy who is carrying bag, he looks very tired. And then the person who is tired, what we call him? What we say? You are always tired. Whenever I see you, you look tired. Tired means what? Weak. Strong persons never look tired. They look strong. Strong and fresh. Correct or not? So opposite of strong is weak. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. W-E-A-K, weak. Okay. Fourth picture which is shown in the book is full. The glass full of water, or you can say the glass full of milk. Full with water, and this glass is what? There is nothing in this glass. It is empty. So F-U-L-L, full. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Fifth example or picture you can see here is open. There is a box and that box is open, and there is another box here, it is open or what? No, it is closed. So opened, opposite of open is close. Sixth example, here ant. Ant is a small insect. Ant is a small insect. So what we can give another word for small insect? Tiny. And then what will be opposite of tiny? Dinosaur is very big. Correct or not? So opposite of tiny will be what? Huge. T-I-N-Y, tiny. H-U-G-E, huge. Understood? So rich, poor, old, young, strong, weak, full, empty, open, close, tiny, huge. Understood? Have you understood? In this way we have completed opposites, opposite words. Now on the next page it is given that fill in the blanks with opposite. Now here stone. Stone is hard and cotton is what? Cotton is soft. So what answer will come over here? First one, soft. Understood? So opposite of hard is what? Soft. Second, the elephant is big and the mouse is small. So our second answer is small. B-I-G, big. Opposite of big is small. Understood? Third one. Look at that sad boy and look at that dash boy. Happy. So our third answer is happy. S-A-D, sad. Opposite of sad is happy. Fourth, I like hot milk. Ice cream is cold. So our fourth answer is C-O-L-D, cold. So H-O-T, hot. Opposite of hot is cold. Fifth one, this towel is dirty and that towel, this towel is dirty, that towel is clean. So dirty, what is our answer? Clean. Opposite of dirty is what? Opposite of dirty is clean. Sixth one, this is a heavy trunk and that is a light bag. It is not heavy. So our answer is what? L-I-G-H-T, light. Understood? So heavy, opposite of heavy is light. Seventh one, the hare is fast, the tortoise is slow. So our answer is S-L-O-W, slow. Fast, slow. Understood opposites? Hard, soft, big, small, sad, happy, hot, cold, dirty, clean, heavy, light, fast, slow. In this way we have completed the lesson opposites. Okay, what we have completed? We have completed the lesson opposites. Write down all these answers in your book and study it properly. Okay, thank you.